this may be the best earbud case ever designed. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this. It's by Budly, and it is an earbud case. And I wanted to pick this up and try it out because the design of it actually led me to think that this might be the best earbud case ever made. So what I have here is a pair of earbuds. These are pretty standard. You can find these anywhere, 3.5mm, lightning, whatever. And so you have your earbuds here, you have your cable, and what you do is you just put it in your bag like this, and they all get tangled up. You gotta undo this like this. It's so frustrating, especially when you need them. They get damaged. Anyway, something like this seemed like it was really simple yet ingeniously designed. So it looks like a little cup here. It's all silicone as far as I can tell. It's completely encased here, but if I flip it open like this, now what we have is this little spool, and we have this little opening in here. So I'm going to try this for the first time. So you would take your little earbuds. This works for the wired earbuds, FYI, and you just kind of shove them into the little opening in the middle, right? And then you just coil the wires around the spool like this, and once you have it coiled up like this, then you just flip this back up there, and now everything is encased in there nice and securely. Nothing's gonna fall out, nothing's gonna get damaged, and nothing's gonna get tangled up. So when I want them, I just flip this open like this and then start unwrapping the earbuds just like this, and I don't have to worry about anything being knotted up, and then I can just pull this right out of there. Seems pretty nice to me. Now, this little piece of silicone, I will say, is not super cheap. It's about $9 for one of these, but you can get a 3-pack for like 24 bucks, so I think that's pretty good value. Hey, if you want to pick up this, save yourself a lot of hassle, keep your earbuds nice and organized, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.